The cross-legged posture ensures that the downward clearing wind enters the central channel. The gesture of equanimity ensures this for the fire-equalizing wind, straightening the backbone and turning the inside of the arms out does so for the pervading wind. Crooking the neck does so for the upward moving wind. And touching the tongue to the palate and maintaining the gaze does so for the life-sustaining wind. When these 5 winds enter the central channel, all other winds will have entered the central channel too. And non-conceptual wakefulness will dawn. This is called remaining in the naturalness of body.